Hello everybody, this is Kirk again with Tested Best Products. In this short clip I'd like to introduce you to the SOG Trident TF-5. The TF-5 is the desert camo version, as you can see. You see this is the traditional desert camo. These do also come in the camo, the digital camo that matches the modern uniforms. However, thanks to an order from our boys at Camp Pendleton, I'm out this week. The Trident knife has a Zytel handle that has this cutting groove in it, so you can cut nylon webbing or paracord, fishing line, whatever you want to without ejecting the blade. It also has a lanyard hole, has the SOG reverse pocket clip. It's very nice to carry. It has a universal thumb stud for righties and lefties. This knife has SOG assisted technology, so just slight pressure on the thumb stud ejects the blade. As you can see, it has a partially serrated blade. The coating, it's a special coating on it. It's called copper tinny. The tinny stands for titanium nitride. It's a very hard protective coating. And also there's a secondary lock to keep the knife from ejecting when you don't want it to. Again, this is the SOG Trident TF-5. If you have any questions or you care to order, please contact us via the website at www.testedbestproducts.com. Thank you for watching.